Hey there, and welcome and congratulations to the 2019-2020 Wonder Squad with Wonder Workshop. I'm really excited to get to have you join us this year with educators from across the world. And to have you join us is just a complete honor and privilege. I really look forward to getting to work with you over the course of the next year. So be sure to reach out to me if you have any questions or need anything to make sure that your time with us as a Wonder Squad ambassador is as successful as possible. Finish reading the email below so you can make sure that you fill out all of the information that's required. We're going to be sending out to you a bunch of really cool items, but be sure to complete those. There's a dashboard that you're going to want to log into where you're going to first need to send in your mailing address, your t-shirt size, and a headshot. And the other items that are included in that dashboard will be able to be completed throughout the course of this year. So make sure when you get access to that dashboard by completing the link below, you save that URL because that is your unique URL that you'll be able to continue and add things to throughout the rest of the year. Again, congratulations. I look forward to getting to work with you and welcome to the Wonder Squad. See you soon.